Hello, my name is Despina Papadakis. I'm a registered psychotherapist, clinical hypnotherapist, trainer, and author of the relationship code, Heal Your Wounded Heart.
My name is Dr. Mohsen Fatemi. I did complete my postdoctoral studies in the Department of Psychology at Harvard University with a focus on Langerian mindfulness. I have done psychotherapy and hypnotherapy for the past 10 years with a specific focus on Langerian mindfulness. My publications appear in Springer, Wiley, Templeton Press, Routledge, Cambridge University Press, Oxford University Press, Lexington Publication, Rowman and Littlefield, Palgrave Macmillan, American Psychiatric Association, and journals such as APA's Journal of Theoretical and Philosophical Psychology and International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Hypnosis. I am an adjunct faculty member in the graduate program in psychology in the Department of Psychology at York University, Canada.
We are both very excited about the Ontario Association of Mental Health Professionals 2022 conference and our opportunity to speak to you about mindful hypnotherapy and its therapeutic concepts, techniques, and implications.
This is going to be a great workshop for you as a professional in the field. Hypnotherapy has been demonstrated to have a wide variety of benefits, from simply improving symptoms or difficulties to eliminating them. We would focus on mindful hypnotherapy in particular, which is going to provide you with a great sense of calmness, creativity, presence, novelty, and openness. A mindful hypnotherapy allows you to experience a radical transformation of consciousness with great implications of wellness for your personal and interpersonal life. We will cover the therapeutic applications of hypnosis, hypnotherapy, the relationship between hypnotherapy and mindfulness. And we will also focus on how to incorporate hypnotherapy with psychotherapy and the wide variety of issues we can work with, including insomnia, pain management, relaxation, stress management, trauma, addiction, and anxiety. This workshop will be good for mental health professionals who are helping clients through difficult times in their lives. This is a great opportunity to add more tools to the toolbox.
By integrating hypnotherapy and psychotherapy, you can help your clients dispel negative emotions, limiting beliefs, explore hidden potential, empower themselves to create positive attitudes and behaviors, and make positive, lasting changes.
This workshop is going to help your clients increase their empowerment. So you're going to help your clients achieve what they want to accomplish so that they can manage their stressful situations, achieve a great sense of composure, tranquility, and calmness, enhance their performance, and use their mind and thoughts to manage emotional distress, anxiety, stress, unpleasant physical symptoms, pain, nausea, and help them to change certain habits or behaviors. This is going to be an exciting, illuminating, informative, and constructive workshop.
Participants will have the opportunity to participate and or watch a live demonstration showcasing how hypnotherapy and psychotherapy work well together. We are very excited to share our knowledge with you. Our workshop will be on Friday, September 30th, 2022, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Thank you.